I am Professor Sudhir Kumar Sarma. I welcome you all to my channel Vasist Classes. If you like my video, then do subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Objective is very clear. We are going to discuss the one technique of AI that is called state space search problem. And the objective is very clear. Now there are many problems are there in the world. If their algorithm does not exist, then we can solve each and every these problems by the unique, by a fixed single AI algorithm. And you know the algorithm receive the fixed number of inputs or representation. So now we are thinking how can we represent, how can we model these word problems so that our AI system will solve. So here uh, we are considering our AI system is black box and we are only interested what will be the input and what will be the output. So to discuss this problem, I am taking one example that is called 8 puzzle problem. And now there are many puzzles you can solve using this technique that is called state space search problem. So now this is the 8 puzzle problem that is a 3 by 3 grid. There are 9 squares are there and there are 8 tiles numbered from 1 to 8 and only the one tile is empty. Are you able to see the slide now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so it is better you can make this diagram at your notebook.
Okay, sir.
And now it is called 8 puzzle problem. In this 8 puzzle problem, there is a grid of 3 by 3. It means there are 9 small boxes are there. There are 8 tiles numbered from 1 to 8. And one tile is empty. And now this configuration is called starting state, initial configuration. On the right side, there is a goal state is given. We want to arrange these tiles in a given predefined final goal. That is also called goal state. And you have played this 8 puzzle problem or maybe the 15 puzzle problem at the childhood. Now objective is how can we model, how can we formulate this problem as a state space search problem. And then how can our AI algorithm solve to this puzzle. So now there are many puzzles are there. We will discuss water jug problem we will discuss. N queen problem we will discuss. We will discuss the cannibal and missionaries problem. And objective is very clear. How can we model, how can we formulate these problems as a state space search problem so that our AI algorithm solve these problems. So now in this formulation, what is given? There are 4 things are given. State description. All states are explicitly given. And now what is the meaning state? Anyone would like to discuss what is the state? If you look this diagram, this is the state. That is called starting state. At the right side, this is called goal state. This is also the one state. So state means if you change 2 tiles, the next state will be generated. So in the 2 state, if you are comparing 2 state, many things are common. Only 2 tiles are interchanged. So basically state means the locations of the objects and their relationship. And state means, in the graph theory, we can represent state as a node or vertex. So when we implementing all these concepts, we will go into the detail. But you can think state, look in the classroom, in AI there are 25 students are attending the classes and they are sitting in the classroom. If only the one student change his seat or chair, the next state is generated. So many things are common in the classroom, only the one student change his seat. Now suppose Alok is sitting at the chair number 1, then Alok changed to the seat number 25. So everything is there, common in the room, chairs are there, students are there, only one student change his seat. So next state is generated. In the chess playing game, once you apply the one move, the next state is generated. So state is basically the configuration. So starting configuration is given, goal configuration is given, and one is transition operators are also given. Now what is the meaning transition operators? If we want to reach at the goal state, then we have to move the empty tile one position at a one time. So how many transition operators are given? For this problem, there are 4 transition operators are given. You can move the blank tiles left one position, you can move the blank tiles right, you can move the blank tiles up, or you can move blank tiles down. So maximum 4 transition operator or rule is given, and you can apply these rules and reach at the goal state from the starting state. Many times only the 2 rules are only applicable. You know, in the starting configuration, you can move the blank tiles left, or you can move the blank tiles right, or you can move the blank tiles up. So at this moment, only the 3 transition operators are applicable. But in this problem, maximum 4 transition operators are given. Many times only the 2 transition operators are applicable. So now I have written the solution in this slide. But our AI algorithm will not produce the answer in this way. AI algorithm search the solution from the solution space. So now this is the optimal solution of this problem. You can reach at the goal state in the 5 steps because you have applied your intelligence. So that we discuss later on. If you are applying your intelligence, your problem specific knowledge, then that is called heuristic search, informed search. If you are not applying any intelligence or any problem specific knowledge in searching, that is called blind search or uninformed search. So look again, all states are explicitly given. Now what is the meaning? When you are solving the problem in the graph theory, graph is given in terms of number of vertices, number of edges, directed edges or undirected edges. Graph is explicitly given, and you are applying or finding the shortest path. Then there are many algorithms are there. Dijkstra is there, Wellman-Ford is there. But in the AI, these states are not available at a one time in the memory. So if you are thinking how many states are possible for this problem, now tell me, Bhavna, आप बताओ. Hello, Bhavna.
Yes, sir.
इसमें कितनी स्टेट्स पॉसिबल हो सकती हैं इस गेम में?
Sir, 3 states.
3 स्टेट नहीं, वंस यू exchange or change 2 tiles, then next state will be generated.
Okay, sir.
आपकी 5 स्टेट तो आपने अपने आप निकाली हैं. 1 स्टार्टिंग स्टेट इज गिवन, फाइनल गोल स्टेट इज आल्सो गिवन.
Yes, sir.
I am saying now there are 30 students and there are 30 chairs are there. Then how many ways these 30 students can take the chairs in the classroom? This is the same problem.
Okay.
So we are arranging the 9 tiles in 9 boxes. So how many ways you can arrange them? Anyone?
9 factorial, sir.
Very nice, very nice. ये बेटा आपका नाम क्या है? Hello.
Nitin.
Nitin, very nice. Thank you very much.
Yes.
So now for this problem, total states are factorial 9. In these factorial 9 state, only the one starting state is given. So you have to start to play this game from this starting state. And one goal is final goal state is also given. And some transition operators are given. There are 4 transition operators are given. If you apply one transition operator on a current state, then next state will be generated. And then you will compare the current state to the goal state. If both are equal, then you can exit from the program. It means search is successful. If the current state is not equal to the goal state, then again you can apply the transition operator and you can generate the new states. So now this is the iterative program in this way. Got my point? But here you
Yes,
have
sir.
solved this problem using only the 5 steps, and now this is the optimal solution. But in our AI system, will explore these states systematically. Now what is the systematically? If there are 4 operators are applicable, then system apply these operators one by one and generate the 4 states and compare these states to the goal state. If any one of them is not equal to the goal state, then again you further expand or unfold the states. Got my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Starting configuration is given. Operators, rules are given. If we are discussing chess playing, then valid moves are given. So in this problem, 4 operators are given for moving the blank tiles left, right, up and down. And then one goal state is given. And we have to reach from the starting state to the goal state in minimum number of steps. That is the objective. So when we are formulating a given problem as a state space search problem, now you only have to define only these four things. Then our AI system, AI algorithm solve the problem. As a search the solution from the solution space. Got my point? Hello? बेटा ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir, आ गया.
Here you are solving this problem manually. You are applying your intelligence. तो आपने क्या intelligence लगाई है इसमें कि which is the best move? In each and every step you are applying the best move. आपने ऐसे ही किया है ना इसको?
Yes, sir.
कैसे किया देखो? In the goal state, this 6 is here. तो 6 को आपको नीचे लेके आना पड़ेगा. तो you have moved the blank tiles up. तो 6 आपका आ गया. And always your eyes at the goal state. तो आपने एक टाइल्स को कम से कम सही कर दिया. फिर आप देख रहे हैं कि आपका ब्लैंक टाइल्स किधर जाना चाहिए. 4 आपका फिक्स है, तो 4 को आप नहीं चेंज कर सकते। तो आपने अब क्या किया, आपने ब्लैंक टाइल्स को ऊपर लेके गए और 8 आपका नीचे आ गया है। अगेन यू आर कंपेयरिंग दिस स्टेट टू द गोल स्टेट, दिस करंट स्टेट इज नॉट इक्वल टू द गोल स्टेट, एंड देन यू आर टेकिंग द डिसीजन कि बेस्ट मूव कौन सा होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे 3 आपका फिक्स है, 4 आपका फिक्स है, 5, 7, 6, ओनली 1 और 8 और 2 में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। तो आपने क्या किया, ब्लैंक को लेफ्ट मूव किया, 2 को आपने फिक्स कर दिया, 2 अब सही जगह पहुंच गया है। गॉट माई पॉइंट। अब आपका 1 में प्रॉब्लम आई है, तो यू कैन डाउन द ब्लैंक टाइल्स डाउन, तो आपका 1 ऊपर आ गया। तो इट मीन्स यू आर अप्लाइंग द योर इंटेलिजेंसी व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग दिस प्रॉब्लम मैनुअली, एंड नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड heuristic search, informed search. If you are using the problem specific knowledge in the searching, that is called informed, heuristic. And if you are not using any problem specific knowledge, that is called systematic search or blind search, uninformed search. Now tell me, what are the well-known algorithms for blind search? ग्राफ थ्योरी में कैसे सर्चिंग करते थे आप? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
ग्राफ थ्योरी में कैसे सर्चिंग करते थे?
ब्रेथ फर्स्ट सर्च।
वेरी नाइस। कौन बोल रहा है ये?
सर इरशाद।
इरशाद, वेरी नाइस। तो इट मीन्स वी हैव टू अप्लाई ब्रेथ फर्स्ट सर्च और मे बी द डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च। Got my point? So if you are applying the only breadth first search and depth first search, that is called blind search, blind, uninformed search. And if you are using the problem specific knowledge, other mathematics, that becomes informed or heuristic. So now let us discuss what is the formulation of a state space search problem. बेटा इसको state space search problem are 2 types. One is called uninformed blind search and one is called informed and heuristic. If we are using the problem specific knowledge, that is called heuristic search. They are advanced searching algorithm. And uninformed means systematic, like depth first search and breadth first search. So now first I would like to discuss the first algorithm. Now this is the first searching algorithm. So here we are using very old jargons of AI. Open is a list. You know, Perlog, we will implement all these algorithms in the Perlog, and Perlog is a high level programming language, and in the Perlog only the list is a data structure. LIST, list is the collections of objects. List, you can implement list as a stack, you can also implement list as a queue. So here open is a list. Open is only the name. Open is a list. And now we are initializing this open with starting state. कहाँ से start करेंगे? We are starting searching from start configuration. So you can initialize this list from initial state. Now you are checking termination condition. Here you can terminate. So now this is the condition. If at any moment open is empty, it means there is no more states or nodes are available in the open list, then you can terminate with failure. Search, goal state has not been found. Searching with failure. There is a one operator, you can expand. expansion. So again, a program designer will give you this function. You have the one expansion function. You have to select one state from the open. Then you have the one more function, terminate. You will compare the current state with the goal state. We are using the subset because we have more than one goal state. So if the current state is equal to the goal state, it means search is successful. We have found the goal state. So you can terminate your program with success. Then we have one more function, expand. Generate the successor of current state using transition operator. That will generate the new state. And you can insert these new states in open. And then this is the last step, go to step number 2. So now you can think this is the black box basically. So in the searching algorithm, what is given? Start state is given, goal state is given. And now we have the one list. List is like a arrays and a linked list. List is a data structure and you can implement list as a stack and queue. So here we initialize this list with the starting state. If at any moment this list is empty, then you can terminate your program with failure. Otherwise, you can select the current state. You select a one state from the open. And now you have the one function that comparing this state to the goal state. So you can think this is the function that return us 0 and 1, true and false. If it return 1, it means both states are equal. Current state is equal to the goal state. It means search, we found the goal state. And you can terminate with success. So how can we compare the current state with the goal state? Now one function is given by the program designer. You have the current state, you have the goal state, this function compare them and return as true and false. If it return true, it means both states are equal and search is successfully. We found the goal state successfully. We have the one more function, expand. How can we expand, how can we unfold these states? We have the current state, we have some transition operators are given. And now that this function tells us if we apply this one particular operator, then what will be the our next state. You can think in the same way. If you are playing the chess, you have the current configuration, you have many valid moves are there, and you can apply one move. Then next state will be generated. So now this expansion function tells us if you apply this transition operator, then this will be your next state. So you can apply these transition operators on the current state and many other successors or children will be generated. And you can insert them, add them in the open. Now you can think open. You can implement open as a queue or you can implement open as a stack. So what we are doing, basically this is the searching algorithm and you are already aware searching in the graph theory. So now you can tell me if we implement open as a queue, so what will be the searching algorithm? What will be the name of this searching algorithm? Or if you implement open as a stack, then what will be the name of this searching algorithm in the graph theory? Queue, you know very well that is first in, first out. You can insert at the rear end and you can delete from the front end. Stack means last in, first out. You always insert and delete from the front. That is stack. Anyone? You told me already there are two algorithms in the graph theory. One is called breadth first search and one is called depth first search. If you are implementing open as a queue, then it means we are applying the breadth first search, searching systematically. Breadth first search means we are searching from the first label, then we go from the second label, third label, and in each label we are creating the nodes from left to right. And if you are implementing open as a stack, that is called depth first search. That is called depth first search. And both are the algorithm for uninformed and blind search. So now we will discuss later on. Here, this is the second algorithm. Now what is the problem in the first algorithm?
सर उसमें बहुत स्पेस लग रही थी.
उसमें स्पेस नहीं लग रही थी बेटा. ओपन वी यूज ओनली द वन लिस्ट ओपन. जब आप सर्चिंग करेंगे मेनी टाइम्स यू विल इनकाउंटर द सेम स्टेट अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड to visit the state again and again. If the state is not equal to the goal state, then we are not interested to visit again this state. तो बेसिकली यदि आपकी कोई दूसरी स्टेट आपकी क्रिएट होती है एंड यू ऑलरेडी विजिटेड दैट स्टेट ऑलरेडी, देन देयर इज नो नीड टू विजिट अगेन. गॉट माय पॉइंट? बेटा जैसे आपने 8 पजल वाला प्रॉब्लम सोल्व किया है, ऐसी आपकी बहुत सारी स्टेट्स हैं जो बार बार आप क्रिएट होंगी, तो उससे आपका ग्राफ बनेगा. वी आर ओनली इंटरेस्टेड इन द ट्री, नॉट द ग्राफ. तो हेयर वी वांट टू रिमूव द डुप्लीकेट नोड्स वर्टेक्सेस फ्रॉम द ग्राफ, जो ग्राफ हम बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Look, this move the blank up from the starting configuration. और फिर ब्लैंक को फिर आप नीचे ले आए तो फिर आपकी पुरानी स्टेट आ गई. और आप बार बार ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे तो कभी भी गोल स्टेट पे नहीं पहुंचेंगे. तो हेयर वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू विजिट द स्टेट्स अगेन एंड अगेन. वी वांट टू क्रिएट ए ट्री. वी वांट टू रिमूव द डुप्लीकेट नोड्स फ्रॉम द ग्राफ. And you know the tree is the special case of a graph. Tree is acyclic graph. No cycles are there. But when you are applying the searching systematically, you will get the graph. And in this graph, there are many nodes or states are repeating again and again. So we are not interested to visit the states again and again. So that is why we are using one more. तो क्लोज्ड आपका जैसे आप once you visited that state or nodes, you can store it in the other list. That is called closed. तो इनको हम ट्रेस करेंगे. This is the second algorithm. So better you can note down this algorithm and then we will trace these algorithms, dry run on the problems. So now this is the second algorithm. That is the same algorithm, but here we are more refined. Refined in the sense we have one more list that is called closed. And once we visited that vertex, we store in the closed. So it is better you can note down or understand quickly. Open, we initialize with starting state. Then closed is empty. If at any moment open is empty, then you can terminate with failure. Then select a state n from the open and save in closed. Means once you select one state from the open, it means you have visited. And once you visited, you can store in the closed. Then you have to terminate. If the current state is equal to the goal state, then you can terminate with success. Then there is a one expand function, generate the successor of n using O. Then for each transition operator, or you will get the new state M, and you only insert M in the open, if and only if M, this newly generated state is not available in the open, or it is not available in the closed. बेटा जो नई स्टेट आपकी जनरेट हुई है उसको ओपन में कब इंसर्ट करेंगे? यदि वो ऑलरेडी है ओपन में तो नहीं द्वार से उसे इंसर्ट करेंगे, या वो क्लोज्ड में ऑलरेडी है तो भी हम उसको ओपन में इंसर्ट नहीं करेंगे. यू कैन थिंक दिस स्टेट इज जनरेटेड अगेन and it is already available in the open, so there is no need to insert again. Or you have already visited this state, then there is no need to consider again and insert in open. So it is better you can trace these algorithms.